Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know how can you manifest bringing back money to you tenfold, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you one simple technique that you can use to bring money back to you tenfold. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction, metaphysical channel that brings life-changing, easy to understand information to change your life. So now, if you want to know what you can do to multiply your money as you're using it, keep watching. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about what you can do to bring your money back to you tenfold? Now, listen, this is a very simple technique, and please do watch to the end because I always give you guys a couple of extra tips to help supercharge whatever you're doing. Now, the only thing you're going to need is a wallet or something that you place your money in when you go out and you shop or you buy gas or anything else. Whatever it is that you use to hold your money, that is all you need. Now, the next thing, which is the main thing, is I want you to get a Pyrite Crystal. Okay, this is a Pyrite gemstone. It's very beautiful. They also call it fool's gold. Okay, so now what you're going to do, and this is very simple, but again, I need you to keep watching. You're going to take this and you're going to place it right where your money is. Okay? Now, why are you doing this? This is a very powerful money attractor, okay? While it's in your wallet, it is with your money, okay? And if not, you have it in your pocketbook. But I do need it in an area where you're going to see it when you go to use your money or circulate your money, okay? Now, what you're going to do is every single time you go to use your money, circulate your money, you're going to touch the crystal. You don't have to be so obvious. You could just put your finger in there as you're getting your money out, touch the crystal, and then hand in the money, okay? Now, you guys know I'm always speaking about pyrite. Pyrite is a very powerful crystal gemstone that actually attracts abundance to you. Not only that, it protects whatever your assets are. So when you keep a pyrite in your wallet, you are not only attracting abundance, but you are protecting whatever's in your wallet. Now, let me just tell you this. As you use your money and you touch this crystal, you can absolutely set the intent, whatever it is that I am circulating, whatever it is I'm using this money for, it will come back to me multiplied. It will come back to me tenfold. And so it is. Or amen. Or so mote it be. Whatever it is you feel comfortable using. So as you are circulating or using your money, you are already setting the intent that this money is going to come back to you multiplied. So some of you guys might just say, well, Yvette, what about if you just write checks or you use a card? It's the same technique. As you go to write a check to pay a bill, hold the crystal in the other hand, or as you're going to use the credit card, still touch it and pull out your credit card and use the credit card. And again, whatever you're using, it is a form of money. And you can just say, as I pay this or use this card, whatever it is I'm doing will come back to me multiplied. Listen, or tenfold. And you are absolutely setting the intent to get, have, and receive whatever it is that you want. Now, to throw in a couple of extra tips. Before you place this in your wallet, I am asking you to program this crystal to do just that, to bring back whatever it is that you desire tenfold. So if you spend $1, it comes back to you 10. If you spend $100, it comes back to you 1,000. Whatever it is. And I want you to program it by holding it in your hand and speaking the intent into the crystal. Okay? Another thing you can do before you use this crystal and place it in your wallet, you can anoint it with a a drop of money drawing oil, or you can use Better Business Oil if this is concerning a business, or you can use Prosperity Oil or Magnet Oil. Okay? Again, Magnet Oil draws to you whatever it is that you want. This is something that is powerful, you guys, and it works. You just have to set the intent, know that it's already done, and it is. So, okay, everyone, I just gave you guys the perfect, easiest way to multiply your money as you use it, as you circulate it tenfold. If you want more videos like this, please join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. This way, you can get notification of my up-and-coming videos. If you want any of these things that I mentioned in this video, please go to the store in the description and purchase it. And again, if you want to follow me, go to myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, this is Yvette bringing you all that information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. Namaste.